Okay, number 68, 69, and 70. These are the swoop models. We made these for some of the Friends of the NRA banquets. These all have dyed bone. A little different. 69's a little darker. 70 is very similar. They're very even on each side. I got the nice painted pony look on here in number 68. Okay, this is our third set of custom fire steels. These are all polished, no mountain finish here. Black and orange G10. Desert Ironwood, black and green G10, and a natural micarta with a, nope, no liner, just a black line in there. That's all. Okay, number 71 through 76, we got a little group of Patriot knives here. Polished green micarta with very thin red liners. 72 is a set of bone scales, slightly dyed. Number 73 is also dyed bone. You can see one side's a little whiter than the other, and it has no liners. Okay, kind of unique look there. 74 is another dyed bone. Kind of interesting. 75 and 6 are polished G10 orange. Okay, number 77 through 86 are custom Coyote knives. These are all the same blank, all the same grind. Could be an LE in there hiding somewhere. Okay, number 77. Yellow dyed bone with yellow G10 liners. Very cool looking. 78 is a dark blue dyed with black liners. Very cool. 79, red dyed bone with red liners. Number 80 was a mix of a few different colors. I think it kind of looks a little bit like a fish. Blue liners on that one. That looks good. 81 is carbon fiber. 82 is polished micarta in natural. 83 is a stag knife, and it also has an LE stamp on it. Number 84, dyed bone, no liners. 85 is desert ironwood, no liners. 86 is polished black micarta. Okay, 87 to 92, we got a little grouping of Frontier First models here. These are all flat grind, it looks like. Polished black micarta, polished green micarta, another polished black. Dyed bone, no liners. Polished natural micarta, and 92 is another polished bone finish. Okay, number 93 to 97 are all brookies. Everything is desert ironwood except number 96. Number 96 is mystery wood that Nick picked up at the Blade Show. It's a dark wood, and it's very special. It's from Georgia. 93 desert ironwood, 94, 95, look at that nice shading on 95. 97 has a nice look to it. These knives came out super, super nice. Not that the knives don't normally, but these were extra fancy. Good job on those, Russ. Okay, number 98 to 103 are Frontier Valleys. Kind of custom here. Number 98 is a reconstituted stone, blue turquoise with blue liners. Came out nice. Number 99, you can only buy this knife if you are a Pouthouse member because it has a key stamp. This is Warthog Jawbone that is dyed with blue and red resins, got red liners to it. Quite a unique look. Number 100 is Snakeskin, flat ground. 101, another snakeskin. 102 and 103 are the Jade G10 with black liners. They came out really nice. Scooter Airman on the inside. Here's another little extra we have on the table that you could add to your order. This is a ceramic sharpening rod made by Lansky. This is the Croc Stick in, I believe this is the fine grit. This is the same size rod that we use on our DWX sheath, which is a super fine, I believe. This one's gray, that one's white. I think they're $7. Add one to your order. See ya. Okay, number 104 through 110. We've got some custom Kydex here by our man Sam. 104. A little bit of overlay on the red, and the knife inside is a Frontier First. Carbon fiber with red liners. Carbon fiber with red. How does that match together? That's nice. Number 105, also carbon on the Kydex. Carbon fiber with blue liners on that Frontier First. Number 106, carbon fiber with green liners to jive with the sheath. That's a Frontier Valley. 107, same thing, carbon except blue, no overlay, Frontier Valley. Number 108, carbon with red. Carbon with red. So you could pick up these two and have a little family of knives. Number 109, this is a ProTac. This is another knife you can only purchase if you are a Pout House member. It's got a key stamp. You can see mountain finish black with orange liners to jive with the sheath. And number 110 is a Patriot with natural polish micarta. Full flat grind on that one. That's number 110. Okay, number 111 through 118, we got a mix of the last two. We had two more of these Frontier Valleys with the Jade G10 and black liners, 111 and 112. 113, stag finish on the Patriot. 114, polished black micarta, Patriot. Number 115, polished green micarta, Patriot. 116 and 117, desert ironwood on the Patriot. And number 118, polished micarta, natural with toxic green liners. Okay, 119 to the end of the show, 127. These are all Kydex. This is a carbon fiber with toxic green liners. That's a Frontier Valley carbon Kydex. Another carbon Kydex, except this has yellow liners. That's number 120. 121, 122, we got a couple stealth models on the table. 123 is the skeleton key Necker in Kydex. 124, this is a special knife and only for this knife. It's the same exact blank as this, it just has a little coloring on the overlay. This knife, 50 bucks. First one to call. Number 124, 50 bucks. Okay, 125. Let me show you 125. This is A2 tool steel, polished green micarta, black liners. Doesn't look familiar. This is a knife we're going to call the Little Scooter. And this was a custom run we kind of did for the Pout House, and they bought them all up. We had a spare. So for someone who is not in the Pout House, excellent chance to get a rare knife. Number 126, Coyote. Oops, that's, the lock worked good on that one. Coyote, polished green micarta in Kydex. And the final knife, 127, Great Plainsman, polished green micarta. So that's it for the virtual show. Hopefully you have written down your favorite numbers. I would have more than one if I were you. Don't forget, call once, leave a message. We will call everybody back in the order that the calls were received in, and hopefully hook you up with your new knife, or fire steel, or ballistol, or strike hold, or whatever you like. We got hats and shirts in there. Ask the wonderful people who answer the phone. Yes, Mike?
Live streaming event.
I said, oh, but I'll say it again. Live streaming event from 1 to 2. We have a whole studio set up. Pan her on. Justin, show the folks the studio you got set up. Look at that. We got a backdrop. It's like a TV studio.
Knocking things over.
We got cameras. We got monitors. We got teleprompter. No, we don't have that. Okay. We got all kind of fun stuff, though, happening. So get some coffee. Get some donuts. Join us for a virtual show. You can shop in your pajamas. How about that? Scooter, your man on the inside. Thanks for watching.